Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to discuss about structure or histology of liver with association of jaundice. Histology of liver and jaundice. Here you follow a diagram. This is the stomach. This is duodenum and small intestine. This one is pancreas and this is spleen. This one is splenic vein. This is spleen and this is splenic vein. This is pancreas. Pancreas is drained by pancreaticoduodenal vein. This is duodenum as well as small intestine. Here superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric vein present. So ultimately, splenic vein, superior pancreaticoduodenal vein, superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric vein, ultimately together form portal vein. This is portal vein. PV means portal vein. This portal vein formed by union of splenic vein, pancreaticoduodenal vein, superior mesenteric vein, inferior mesenteric vein. These veins together form this portal vein. This portal vein contains mostly nutrient and less oxygen. This portal vein contains less oxygen with more nutrients. More nutrients absorbed from intestine. This one is intestine. I show you just a small part of intestine here. This more nutrient is absorbed from intestine and drained by portal vein into the liver. Now, this is the abdominal aorta. From the abdominal aorta, liver also supplied by hepatic artery. This one is hepatic artery. Hepatic artery come from abdominal aorta. And this hepatic artery contains more oxygen and less nutrients. Follow here, portal vein. This one is venous blood. Portal vein contains more nutrient, less oxygen, but hepatic artery contains more oxygen, less nutrients. A portal vein circulate through the portal vein. 80% of blood is circulated to the liver, and 20% blood is circulated to the liver through the hepatic artery. And already we know hepatic artery contains more oxygen, less nutrient, but portal vein contains more nutrient with less oxygen. So this hepatic artery and this portal vein enters into this liver. This hexagonal structure is called hepatic lobule. I will discuss later in details this structure of hepatic lobule. Now follow here, hepatic artery and portal lobule. Hepatic artery and portal vein drain into liver. Portal vein contains more nutrient, less oxygen, 80% of blood, and 20% of blood through hepatic artery is more oxygen, less nutrients. Enters into liver and circulate through the liver and ultimately venous blood through the hepatic vein HB. Follow here, HB means hepatic vein. So from the after metabolism occurred in this liver. After metabolism, this hepatic vein or venous drainage from the liver is drained by hepatic vein into the inferior vena cava, and from the inferior vena cava to the right atrium of heart, right atrium to right ventricle, then to the lungs, then left atrium, then left ventricle, then systemic artery. Systemic artery is abdominal aorta, superior vena cava, abdominal aorta, then ascending aorta. These are the systemic artery. So from this figure we can discuss that from the portal vein and hepatic artery, liver get nutrients, and through the hepatic vein, liver passes blood after metabolism.